Hello everyone. This is our last part of our chapter, that is music. Okay. Today in this video we will talk about, or we will discuss about our music. Okay. So like a dressing style, food habits, languages, and dance forms. We also have music styles in our country. Okay, so in this topic we will read about three things. One is the styles of music, second is the famous personalities who are you can say who are expert singers or and musicians, that we will read. And third thing is the instruments that are used in the music. Okay, so let's start with the topic. So in our country there are two main styles of vocal music in classical form. Here we are talking about the classical music, beta. Okay, we are not talking about the folk music. So we are in this topic we will talk about only classical music. So there are two main styles of classical form: Hindustani music in the north and Carnatic music in the south. So there are two main styles: Hindustani music in the north and Carnatic music in the south. Now next is we will talk about the famous singers or famous personalities. So there have been many great singers in our country in the earlier times. कहते जो पहले का टाइम था, इन द अर्लियर टाइम्स देयर वर मैनी ग्रेट सिंगर्स इन आर कंट्री, एंड द नेम ऑफ दम सिंगर्स आर तानसेन, हरिदास and Tyagaraja were some of the famous singers. So these were the famous singers in the earlier times. Now we will talk about the modern times. That in the modern times which great singers are there, which great personalities, or you can say famous personalities are there. So you can look at the pictures. So you can look at their pictures. First is Bhimsen Joshi. You can see the first picture of Bhimsen Joshi. So first is Bhimsen Joshi, second is Shubha Mughal, Pandit Jasraj and Shubha Lakshmi. Okay, so these are some of the famous personalities, or you can say great singers in the modern times. Now we will talk about the instruments, different instruments that are used in classical music. Okay, so veena, sitar, tabla, flute, srod, shehnai, dholak, these are the popular, or you can say these are the most famous instruments that are used in classical music, beta. In our book there are no pictures of these instruments. I will show you the pictures of these instruments. Just yes, beta, you can see here the pictures of the musical instruments that are used in classical music. Okay, so sitar, this is the sitar. First picture is of sitar, next is shehnai, then veena, dholak, tabla. So these are a few instruments are there that are used in the classical music. Okay, yes, after the instruments, now we will talk about some famous Indian musicians. Musicians क्या होता है बेटा? Who are expert in playing these instruments, So we will talk about some of the famous Indian musicians. First one is Ustad Zakir Hussain. He is very expert in playing tabla, you can see in the picture. Next is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. He is very expert in playing srod. Third one is Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. He is very expert in playing flute. And last one is Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, and he is very expert in playing santoor. So these are some of the famous Indian musicians, beta. These are the musicians who are expert in playing the instruments, and these are the some of the famous singers. These are some of the famous singers. Okay, so this was our today's topic. We have done our today's topic, and we have completed with this topic we have completed our chapter. So it's my request to all of you that please read this chapter at home. This is very interesting because we are getting new things about our different states of India. We are getting about the dressing style, we are getting about the food habits, we are getting about the dance forms and music also. We are getting so many new things about our states. Okay, that are or you can say of different regions of our India. So please read this chapter at home, and now we will meet again in next video with our new chapter. Okay, beta, till then, bye bye everyone. Please read this chapter at home.